Hi everyone, welcome to the 2022 Jewelry Making Fun Collab. I'm the host for the collab this year and last year as well, and I think even the year before maybe. Anyway, each month we have a color, and this month it was peach or orange, which I used both. And we had two optional challenges. One was to use silver findings, and the next was to make a sunshiny piece. For example, use sun charms or clasp. I did both, and I added some flowers. So I made a set called Sunshine and Flowers, and it's a necklace, bracelet, and earring set. I hope you like it. Let me show you what it is, and then once I show you mine, I'm going to show you the pieces, and then I'm going to tell you what I used after, because some people don't like, watching that part. But if you want to know what all I used, I will show that to you after I show you the pieces. But then also be sure to check out everyone else that's linked down below. There are, I think I counted 11. Now we had one person leave for personal reasons. But we still have, including myself, I think 10 or 11. So be sure to check everyone else out. Hop along and find their beautiful makes too. Some very talented people in this group. But mostly we're here just to have fun making jewelry, and I really did. I had fun. So anyway, all right, let's get started. Here's my pieces. This is a long necklace. It's about 22 or more inches, 24 maybe. I forget exactly. Well, when I list it on Etsy, it'll be there. But it's a beautiful sunshiny piece, and my inspiration for this was, I guess I'll show you these as I go. I've had these Swarovski, I had two of them, this one and this one. Fire Opal they were called, teardrops, 24 by 12. And I had some matching beads, which I used all up on this necklace, in the 8mm size. Also called Fire Opal from Swarovski. They are 8mm rounds. Anyway, so I made it lariat style, but the this will come through, the bar will come through the clasp, but the other pieces will not. It's too thick. So it is a pull it over your head necklace. It's long enough. I have a big head, a fat head, and I can get this over my head, and that is how I made it. Okay, so it's beautiful. I think it's just beautiful, and I'm not a big orange person, but I love this. I definitely would wear it. It has a lot of components in it, including a tiara cast sunflower charm. I had 3 of them, and I used 2. I'll show you the next one on the bracelet. So yeah, that's the necklace. It's a pullover lariat style with the Swarovskis, some coral, some pearls, some carnelian, some yellow quartz, nope, right here. And then some silver. The silver was the kicker, because I don't usually think of silver with the oranges. I think of gold. But I think it really works with this. It helps tone it down just a tiny bit, but still show the beautiful colors. And I call it Sunshine and Flowers because there are some check press glass flowers, which I got at Bead Box Bargains. I only have one left, which I'll have to use for like a purse charm or something. 8mm check press glass. I got these earlier this year, I think. They're actually called a Hawaiian flower in Magma Mix AB is the color of those. And then these I'm showing you now actually are coral. Those were from Auntie's Beads, burnt orange coral gemstone bead strand, 8mm. I know I got these in 2015, so I don't know if they still have them. I did string it on soft flex red coral beading wire, and I used soft flex 2mm sterling silver crimp tubes, and those were out of the yet to be used Parisian Couture kit, which was last month's kit, and I haven't used it yet, so that's on my list to do. And then I already told you Swarovski. So let me show you the bracelet. Can be worn either. So well, let me step back. In the necklace and the bracelet, there are, in between the silver beads, there's two of those burnt orange coral and a check glass. So that's how I kind of distinguish them throughout the necklace. And they are present at every third set of combination beads. After that, then we have the flowers. And so they're separated by these spacers. The spacers, the carnelian, and the yellow quartz came from BB Craft. I don't have that kit right here, but those were from BB Craft in a kit I got of little box that had multiple gemstones in it, and the spacers and some elastic cord and some other spacers and things were also part of the kit. So the spacers, the yellow quartz, and the carnelian rounds were all from that. And then the peach pearls, those were from jewelrymaker.com some time ago. I did organize my peach and orange pearls and put my inventory number on them. That's what the JDM number is there. And these burnt orange kind of pearls that I also used, this color, those were from a company that's no longer in business, EE Beads. So I've had them for quite a while. Those were called almost round dark orange pearls. And then on the bracelet, I used smaller 6mm Swarovski Fire Opal. I love that color. So I was sort of organizing my Swarovski crystals a while ago, and I came across all these. I also have them in, which I didn't use yet, bicones in larger and smaller. So I had the 6mm. I also have a few in 4mm, and then I have bicones in 4mm and 6mm, and of course another one. So I put these all aside in a bag and said to use for the May Jewelry Making Fun collab, and that's what I did. That's the bracelet, and I made this so that you can wear it either to show the little flower on the front or to show the clasp with the charm on the front, if you'd like to show that off that way. And then turning it around, I made the little flower part, like a little focal, and I did it in between the two spacers like I did on the necklace. But I was running low on the yellow quartz, so I only used 2, and I thought that helped highlight that center part also. But then I used, and also I was out of the 8mm, so like I said, I used the 6mm little Swarovskis in there in the bracelet. So that's that. And then the earrings are on lever backs, and I just used the little magma flowers. They look slightly different color, don't they? But they're different when you turn them around. Anyway, that and the burnt orange, the spacers from BB Craft, and the 6mm little rounds. And I put them on these lever backs from Beading, which I got in 2019, 20mm lever back. There's the number, FEA 9412. I don't know if they still have them. They're actually kind of interesting because they have a, they're a little different than some, as when you push them in, they actually have a little gap that hooks into the backing, so it kind of clicks into place, is what I'm trying to say, for extra security. Some just close, you know, but these actually click into place. So yeah, that's my set, my sunshine and flowers necklace, earrings, and bracelet set. I love the necklace, and I love the whole set. Actually, it's something I would wear, and I actually have a top. I might have to consider keeping this one. I don't know. I don't know. And the thing is, you can't get the Swarovski anymore, but Fire Mountain probably has something similar. It's their brand of Swarovski, so maybe they have something called, it's another crystal something name. It's not Crystal Passions. Anyway, they show you right here, Swarovski. But they have their own crystal brand too. Maybe they have something similar, or other places may too. And this just has 3 little dangles with another flower. All the components that I used in the necklace are down here, except for this is extra. So let me know your thoughts on the set. I think it turned out beautifully, and I love it for summer. Sunshine and flowers, lariat style, longer necklace, 22 to 24 inch, plus the dangle, Let's just measure that. I'm stumbling over the length. Let me get my long ruler out. Approximately there to here. Yeah, 12, 24. It's about, actually, to the clasp where it goes, about 25 inches, roughly. So, yeah, it definitely pulls over. I think I started off with 22, and I thought it needed to be longer. That's why I have 22 stuck in my head. So it's about 25 inches plus the dangle. And you can wear it up higher if you want, have that down like that, or you can pull it all the way down to there. But it, like I said, the bar will go through, but the rest of the dangle will not. So it's a definite pullover. Please be sure to go check everyone else out. I can't wait to see what they made. Orange is, like I said, not a color I normally gravitate towards in making jewelry. I'm more of a blue and you know, black, gray. That's the kind of colors I wear most of the time. But in summertime, I do pull out some brighter colors. So, and I can wear the brighter colors against my skin, but I can't wear like the muted. Like if I just wore this pale peach against my skin, I'd look horrible. But with all the brights included, I'd look good. But everybody has different coloring, and lots of people like, you know, the softer colors. I don't know. I like everything. That's my problem. I just can't wear everything. All right, everybody, I'm talking too much. Bye for now. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your May. I don't know when I'll be on. I have to get busy with the finishing the bargain bead box. And then I plan on going back to Parisian Couture, and the month before that, Soft Flex kit, and then who knows what else. All right, everybody, take care. Bye.